Imagine a world where advanced AI, specifically LLM AI agents, enhances the precision and complexity of semiconductor manufacturing. These large language model agents are not just sophisticated text generators but intelligent entities designed to perceive, decide, and act within their environment. This capability makes them incredibly well suited for the intricate world of semiconductor manufacturing. In semiconductor manufacturing, every detail matters. The process involves multiple precise steps, from wafer fabrication to chip packaging, where even the smallest error can lead to significant defects. LLM AI agents can play a crucial role here, acting as intelligent overseers of the production process. Equipped with an AI brain capable of deep reasoning, planning, and knowledge retention, these agents can monitor and analyze data from manufacturing equipment in real time. They can predict when a machine is likely to fail, schedule maintenance before issues arise, and adjust operations dynamically to maintain optimal efficiency. Quality control is another domain where LLM AI agents could revolutionize semiconductor manufacturing. Traditional quality checks often rely on human inspection, which, while effective, can miss subtle patterns that indicate defects. With their advanced perception capabilities, LLM AI agents can analyze vast amounts of production data to detect these patterns early. They can identify defects at the micro level, ensuring higher yields and better quality chips, all while learning and improving from each inspection. Consider the supply chain, a critical component in semiconductor manufacturing. This global supply chain and its intricate nature often lead to delays that can halt production lines. LLM AI agents can optimize this process by predicting material shortages, suggesting alternative suppliers, and managing logistics with an accuracy that outpaces traditional methods. These agents do not just react to supply chain issues, they anticipate them, ensuring that the flow of materials remains uninterrupted. When it comes to design and simulation, LLM AI agents offer significant advantages. Semiconductor design is a highly complex process that involves balancing numerous variables. LLM AI agents can assist engineers by providing design suggestions, validating choices against a vast database of previous designs, and interpreting simulation results to highlight potential issues before they become problems. This capability can accelerate innovation cycles, allowing for faster and more efficient production of next-generation chips. But what truly sets LLM AI agents apart is their ability to learn and adapt. Unlike traditional AI systems that require constant reprogramming to handle new tasks, LLM AI agents can generalize from one task to another, thanks to their training on massive datasets. They can take on new challenges in semiconductor manufacturing, from adapting to new materials and techniques to learning from their environment and improving processes over time. Integrating LLM AI agents into semiconductor manufacturing is about more than just automation. It is about transformation. These agents bring new intelligence, precision, and adaptability to the industry, ensuring that semiconductor manufacturing remains at the cutting edge of technological innovation. As we look to the future, it is clear that LLM AI agents will play a pivotal role in shaping the next era of semiconductor technology.